Welcome back again to my channel, guys. Today's video, I'll gonna show you the different light emitting diode display using the program that we created on my previous tutorial. Let's start. Open first the Arduino Uno IDE or Integrated Development Environment. Then go to Tools, check the board, then the port, then the communication port if properly set up. Then we open our program for different light emitting diode display. Guys, this is the program for 5 light emitting display. First, we initialize the sensor pin for A sub 0 to control the delay. Then we set sensor value to 0. Then inside the void setup, we declare the pin number 1 to 8 as an output. Then inside the void loop, we created the 5 LED sequence. The first sequence is all LED blinking. Then this is the program or instruction. Then second is the forward and reverse running light. Then this is the instruction. Third, the half running sequence light, and this is the instruction. Then the fourth, the odd even running light, and this is the instruction. Then lastly, the bouncing running light. Then this is the instruction. Okay, then let us check first or verify first the instruction if there is any problem or error. Okay, since the program has no error, we can now compile the program in Arduino Uno module. Let's upload. Okay, as you can see in our LED, okay, the set of LED light sequence. Okay, that is the running light. Then the half sequence running light. Then the odd even running lights. Then the bouncing running light. Okay, then if you want to adjust the speed of the light, turn on and off, then let's adjust using the potentiometer. Let's increase or decrease the potentiometer to adjust the speed. Okay. Okay guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.